Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jame. Today we're going to practice English conversations about the weather and seasons.
Talking about the weather is a very common topic in daily conversations.
Yes, it's a great way to start a chat with friends or coworkers.
Let's get started. Part 1. Talking about today's weather conversation. Hi, Jame. How's the weather today where you live?
Hi, Lisa. It's a bit cloudy and cool here today. The sun is hiding behind the clouds. How about your place?
It's sunny and warm here. The sky is bright blue and there's not a single cloud. It's perfect weather for going outside.
That sounds wonderful. Is this kind of weather usual for this time of year?
Yes, it's spring now, so the weather is starting to get warmer. We had some rainy days last week, but today is really nice.
I see. Spring is such a refreshing season. I love how the flowers start blooming and everything turns green again.
Me too. But spring can sometimes be tricky because the weather changes a lot. One moment it's sunny and the next moment it starts raining.
That's true. Spring showers help the plants grow. Do you like rainy days?
I don't mind rain, but I prefer sunny days because I like going for walks and spending time outdoors. How about you?
I like rainy days sometimes. When it rains, I like to stay inside, read a book, or watch a movie. It feels cozy.
That sounds nice. What about the temperature today? Is it warm or cold?
It's about 15 degrees Celsius, so it's a bit cool. I'm wearing a light jacket. What about you?
It's around 22 degrees Celsius here, which feels warm. I'm just wearing a t-shirt.
Sounds like the perfect spring day. Sometimes the mornings are chilly and the afternoons get warmer. Do you notice that too?
Yes, in the morning I usually wear a sweater, but by afternoon I can take it off.
That's smart. It's important to dress in layers during spring.
What do you usually say when you talk about the weather with friends?
I usually start with, "How's the weather today?" or "Is it nice outside?"
I say, "It's a beautiful day," or "Looks like it might rain later." Those are easy phrases.
Exactly. Also, if it's cold, you can say, "It's chilly today," or "It's freezing outside."
I hear people say, "It's raining cats and dogs." What does that mean?
That means it's raining very hard. It's an idiom.
Oh, interesting. Any other common weather expressions?
Yes, for example, the sun is shining brightly means it's very sunny, and there's a light breeze means there's a gentle wind.
Great. How do I ask about tomorrow's weather?
You can say, "What's the weather going to be like tomorrow?" Or, "Is it going to be sunny or rainy tomorrow?"
Thanks, Jame. This is really helpful. I want to be able to chat about the weather anytime.
You're welcome, Lisa. Talking about the weather is a great way to start a conversation with anyone.
Learning tip for listeners. Practice these useful sentences to talk about today's weather. How's the weather today? It's a bit cloudy and cool. The sun is shining brightly. It looks like it might rain later. It's chilly in the morning, but warm in the afternoon.
Part 2. Talking about seasons conversation.
Jame, can you remind me how many seasons we have in a year?
Of course, Lisa. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, also called autumn, and winter.
I always get fall and autumn mixed up. They mean the same thing, right?
Yes, they do. In the US, people usually say fall, but in other English-speaking countries like the UK, they say autumn.
Thanks for clearing that up. So, what happens in spring?
Spring is the season when the weather gets warmer and flowers and trees start to grow leaves again after winter.
I love spring because everything feels fresh and new. What do people usually do in spring?
Many people like to go outside, plant gardens, and enjoy outdoor activities because the weather is pleasant.
What about summer?
Summer is the hottest season. People go swimming, travel, have barbecues, and enjoy long sunny days.
I like summer too, but sometimes it gets too hot for me.
That's true. Summer can be very hot, especially in some places. People use fans or air conditioning to stay cool.
What happens in fall or autumn?
In fall, the leaves on many trees change colors, red, orange, and yellow, and then they fall off the trees.
It's so beautiful to see all those colors. Do people do anything special in fall?
Yes, Some people go apple picking, visit pumpkin patches, and celebrate holidays like Halloween.
And winter is cold and snowy, right?
Exactly. In winter, the weather is cold, sometimes freezing, and it often snows in many places.
What do people do in winter?
People wear warm clothes like coats, scarves, gloves, and hats. They also celebrate holidays like Christmas and New Year.
What's your favorite season, Jame?
I really like summer because I enjoy swimming and being outside in the sun.
I prefer winter. I like the snow and drinking hot chocolate by the fireplace.
Both seasons have their own special things. It's fun to experience them all.
Are there common phrases we use to talk about seasons?
Yes, for example, spring is in the air means springtime is starting. Summer heat is here means it's getting very hot. The leaves are falling means autumn's here, and winter is coming means cold weather is on the way.
Thanks, Jame. Now I can talk about seasons more easily.
You're welcome, Lisa. Keep practicing and it'll become natural.
Learning tip for listeners. Use these phrases to talk about seasons. My favorite season is, in spring, the flowers bloom. It gets very hot in summer. The leaves change color in fall. It often snows in winter.
Part 3. Weather expressions and making plans conversation.
Jame, sometimes the weather changes very quickly. What do we say when that happens?
Good question, Lisa. You can say, it's getting colder, or looks like it's going to rain soon.
What if the wind starts blowing? How can I talk about that?
You can say, there's a strong wind today, or it's very windy outside.
How do I ask about the weather for tomorrow?
You can say, what's the weather going to be like tomorrow? Or do you think it will be sunny or rainy tomorrow?
If I want to talk about a sunny day, what can I say?
You can say, the sun is shining brightly, or it's a beautiful sunny day.
And for rainy days?
You might say, it's raining cats and dogs, which means it's raining very heavily, or simply, it's pouring outside.
Those are fun expressions. What about cold weather?
You can say, it's freezing, or it's really chilly today. Make sure to wear a coat.
Great. How do I talk about my plans if the weather is bad?
You can say, I can't go outside today because it's raining, or let's stay indoors since it's too cold.
And if the weather is nice?
You might say, let's go for a walk, or it's a perfect day for a picnic.
What are some phrases to describe sudden weather changes?
You can say, the weather changed quickly, or it went from sunny to rainy in just a few minutes.
That happens a lot in spring, doesn't it?
Yes, spring weather can be unpredictable.
Can I use these phrases when talking with friends or coworkers?
Absolutely. Talking about the weather is a great way to start conversations or small talk.
Thanks, Jame. I feel ready to talk about weather and make plans based on it.
You're welcome, Lisa. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll sound very natural.
Learning tip for listeners. Practice these useful expressions and questions. It's getting colder. Looks like it's going to rain. What's the weather like tomorrow? It's raining cats and dogs. Let's stay inside today.
That's the end of episode 4 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope this episode helps you talk about the weather and seasons in English.
Try using these phrases next time you talk with friends or coworkers.
See you next time for more everyday English conversations.
Thanks for listening.